I've been exploring the Asana Rebel mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Asana Rebel is a yoga-inspired fitness app that blends short workouts, challenges, and wellness content for people who want home-friendly routines without needing a full gym setup. It targets users looking to build strength, improve flexibility, and support weight loss through structured yet flexible programs that fit into busy days. Core features include yoga-based workouts, quick 5-minute sessions, guided mindfulness content, and challenges you can follow over time, which makes it easier to stay consistent when you only have small pockets of time. Reviews often praise how peaceful the sessions feel, the motivating programs, and the clean, welcoming interface that is simple to navigate. However, it is not without drawbacks. Some users mention past technical issues like freezing or disappearing workouts, and frustration when certain structured coach-style programs changed or were removed. The app is free to download but relies on a subscription for full access, so it can feel pricey if you are not using it regularly. Overall, Asana Rebel is a solid choice if you value short, guided, yoga-inspired workouts and like having fitness and mindfulness in one place. If you prefer very rigid long-term programs, need flawless tech, or are sensitive to subscription costs, you may want to test it carefully first and see if the current setup fits your routine. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.